Come tour the most unique project of the Parade of Homes. This former fire station, number 7, in Lansing's historic Westside, was remodeled into a livable home by Rider Remodeling. The cottage, as it was called, has been updated with many modern design elements that help showcase the original 1925 design. The kitchen is opened up and custom cherry cabinetry installed. The original fire pole remains, now with an adjacent self-spanning waterfall edge concrete countertop. Steel grate entry leads to the custom metal staircase that has metal cables for balusters and maple stair treads. Barn doors and track lead to the master bedroom. 2 bathrooms have been remodeled with subway tiled showers and stone floors. The old fire engine door was replaced with a new double folding Douglas fir exterior door. Please stop in to check out the rest of this beautiful project.